So guys, we are here outside. We are be sunbathing now because we are feel cold inside. So we go out. Here we're sitting in the sun. Yeah. So when it feel cold, yeah, like drinking coffee, walking around. Yeah, yeah. That's the back. Yeah, the trees at the back start to have a flowers, yellow flowers. Not being clear this time. Starting only. Yeah, we are here waiting for the rabbit to go out. There's no rabbit go out this afternoon.
Seen the other day.
Yeah.